The science of oneness, how consciousness, quantum physics, and vibration reveal we are all one. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, my dear friends, today we talk about a truth that is as old as the universe, yet as new as the latest quantum research. A truth that saints, mystics, yogis, and enlightened masters have been saying for thousands of years. A truth that quantum physicists are now proving mathematically. A truth that energy medicine is demonstrating clinically. And a truth that you can feel when your mind is still, your heart is open, and your awareness is expanded. That truth is oneness, not as philosophy, not as belief, but as scientific reality. Let us explore, step by step, how everything in existence is fundamentally one, and what this means for your health, your happiness, and your life. 1. Oneness according to spirituality. All spiritual traditions say the same thing. Advaita. There are not two, only one consciousness. Buddha. The separate self is an illusion. Jesus. The kingdom of God is within you. Sufis. You are the ocean in a drop. Upanishads. Tattvam asi. You are that. They were pointing to a single truth. Everything you see is one energy, appearing in different forms. Just like one ocean, many waves, one sun, many rays, one gold, many ornaments, one consciousness, many beings. Human, animal, plant, air, rock, star, all are expressions of the same underlying field. This is spiritual oneness. Now, we look at the science behind it. 2. Oneness. According to quantum physics. Quantum physics says there is no solid matter. Everything is vibration. Everything is energy. Everything is connected. When scientists zoom into atoms, they find 99.999999% empty space. The remaining particle behaves like a wave of vibration, not a solid object. This wave is connected to everything else. This is why the universe is one unified field of energy. Einstein, Planck, Schrödinger, Bohr, Bohm, all agreed. At the deepest level, separation does not exist. Particles across galaxies are connected instantly. Your thoughts affect quantum fields. Consciousness influences reality. Science calls this unified field, quantum vacuum, zero-point energy, quantum entanglement. Spirituality called it Brahman, God consciousness, the universal mind, the divine field. Both talk about the same oneness, using different words. 3. Oneness. According to consciousness, science. Neuroscience now knows. Consciousness is not produced by the brain. The brain receives consciousness like a radio receives a signal. The mind is a field. The human body is an antenna. Intuition, prayer, healing, remote viewing are possible because consciousness is non-local, everywhere. This means your consciousness is not separate from mine. Your mind is not separate from life. We share one field of awareness. This is why you feel someone's presence without seeing them. You sense danger before it happens. You feel someone's love across distance. You get intuitive insights suddenly because we are all connected through the same consciousness field. 4. Oneness. According to vibration and energy medicine, everything in the human body vibrates. Brainwaves, heart rhythm, nervous system, cells, DNA, atoms. Every organ has a frequency. Every emotion has a vibration. Every thought carries electromagnetic energy. Because everything is vibration, everything is connected through vibration. This is why. A calm person makes you calm. A stressed person stresses you. A loving person uplifts your vibration. A spiritual person radiates peace. This is resonance. One vibration affects another. One mind influences another. One heart heals another. This is oneness in action. 5. The different versions of you, quantum self-theory. Quantum physics shows infinite versions of reality exist simultaneously. Infinite versions of you exist, but you experience only the version you vibrate with. There is a version of you that is peaceful, wealthy, strong, confident, healed, joyful, spiritually awakened. To experience that version, you must vibrate at its frequency. Radio analogy: the station is already there. You don't create it, you tune into it. Your life works the same way. This is why oneness is powerful. You are connected to every version of yourself through the same unified consciousness field. Change your vibration, change your identity, change your reality. 6. Why oneness heals when you feel separate. Fear increases, ego increases, stress increases, inflammation increases, disease increases. When you feel connected, heart coherence rises, brain coherence improves, immunity strengthens, emotions harmonize, healing accelerates. Love, kindness, forgiveness, gratitude, all high vibrations, align you with oneness and therefore with healing and higher intelligence. This is why prayer works, meditation heals, love is therapeutic, compassion decreases inflammation, gratitude changes your brain, purpose prolongs life, because these states reconnect you to the one field. 7. Why energy medicine proves oneness. PEMF, RTMS, terahertz, EMTT, vagus stimulation, Vilight, and quantum devices work because the body entrains to coherent frequencies. A weak field automatically aligns to a stronger, healthier field. This happens because your body is not separate from the field. It is the field. It responds to the field because it is made of the same energy. Energy medicine doesn't add anything to the body. It simply reminds the body of its original vibration, of its original health, of its oneness. 8. The true meaning of oneness. Oneness does not mean we are the same, we have no individuality, we lose our uniqueness. No, oneness means we are made of the same energy. We belong to the same consciousness. We affect each other. We rise together. We heal each other. We are interconnected waves of one cosmic ocean, just like many waves, but one ocean. My dear friends, you are not a small, separate being lost in the universe. You are the universe, expressing itself through a human form. You are connected to every person, every animal, every tree, every planet, every star, every atom, every possibility, every version of yourself. When you understand oneness, fear dissolves, stress decreases, compassion grows, relationships heal, mental clarity increases. Your vibration rises, healing becomes natural, and life becomes effortless. Because when you reconnect with the one field, you reconnect with your true power, the power of consciousness itself. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the ocean in the drop. And when you heal yourself, you heal the world. Founder of Holistic Wellness Foundation, IMFAL. Healing beyond boundaries.